Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
Mina yonke into engisho ngayo ngisho ebuson bakho. And yabona ke la usuke udalela khona. This is where we sketch on. It's a cynicalness that I don't
Finish,
stop.
babes.
I've never trended in your entire life.
You work on your back, I work on my feet. We're not at the same level.
What is she insinuating?
Okay, let us first describe what a housewife is. It's a woman whose main occupation is caring for her family, managing household affairs, and doing housework while her husband goes to work. And another description it's housewife, cooker, cleaner, childcare, and manage my finance for family. And none of what Mini said, Mini Ntuli said, matches with a housewife. And this brings us into questioning ukuthi ufuna ngo-Real Housewives of Durban asebenza. And then maqedile une-audacity yokuthi athi omunye usebenza ngokulala yena usebenza ngokuba ngeenyawo. And I'm like, girl, you don't have to work, you just have to lie and then lie on your bed and then you get money. That's what a housewife is. Okay, let us not take sides. Coming to Ulondi London has a brand. Ulondi London hair. Le happy slate. Nalibana le happy slate lihle leli. Yes, unalilo happy slelo. And then last rectify lento umini bekayisho. And then Ulondi London was in the music industry. Waletha le ngoma ethi suke emabhozini, waletha le ngoma ethi He Goes and unezinye ingoma if I'm not mistaken. I think most yabafazi like Real Housewife bamzondela ukuthi ubejola nekinsi ne-gangster. That's why Umini had the audacity to say what she said ngokuthi uLondi London works on her back. And mind you, that gangster bekajola naye ule washona. I think, yeah, early last year or this year. And then coming to Umini description yakhe, she was once on Idols Atula, and then she came Maya go cooking and I was cooking Dontoni, and then now she's go Gagazi FM. Guys, and after the show, go TikTok, go X, go Facebook, they were mocking Umini Kosiam. The bullying came with high horses. Bakhipha ingoma zakaLondi London because Londi London is not working on her back. Bakhipha nje ama-old videos kamina acula idols. Oh guys, I think yena uzilethele yena le hate le abantu abamnikeza yona manje because why did she have to say that? Ukuthi omunye umntana usebenza ngokulala yena usebenza ngokuma ngeenyawo. I mean, my housewife, no one is special. No kimele nilale. You'll have to lie on your back and wait for a man to come with money, give you hambe choma, bonisa, ukuthi uyi housewife. That's what a description of a housewife is. Not ukuthi hambe yosebenza, maintain yourself, and then abuya endlini. Nah, it's not that. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.